Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use a logo on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using a logo on your Squarespace site involves not only uploading it, but also ensuring it's effectively integrated into your design. We have a separate video on how to create a logo and how to upload a logo here on Squarespace that you might want to check in our channel, especially using the Squarespace logo maker. Now, on that video, if you check that, once you're logged into your account, we went to the header section, wherein this is going to be the option where we can use the logo. You see, there's going to be the site title and logo, and this is where you can use the logo on Squarespace. If you're not happy with how it looks, click on the pencil icon, and of course, you can simply replace that with the logo of your choice. Again, you can always go back to our previous video in creating a logo on Squarespace using the logo maker, or you can also use other platforms to create logos such as Canva. Alright? So I've been using this platform for quite some time, and this is the logo that we are currently using for our brand in our YouTube channel. Now switching back to the Squarespace, of course we're going to select from library, and we're going to use that logo that we have created on Canva. Okay, so now after uploading your logo, and this is going to be the logo, you have multiple options on this one, right? Click on this. You have the mobile logo max height, the mobile logo height if you wanted. So you have all these options for you. All right. Not only that, you also have an option to edit the design. You can have a link spacing, element spacing here, and you can click on the site styles. That would complement your brand design and of course your logo. You can put in the themes. For example, let's say it's going to be professional, vivid, and a lot more. So you have all these options for you. Now, if you have different versions of your logo, like light and dark backgrounds, consider using the appropriate version based on the page background or theme. You can also check the mobile view here to check the responsiveness of the logo that they're using here on Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.